Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing my January IPSY bag. I got a lot. Oh god, I just lost my train of thought. Okay, hold on. Okay, my January IPSY bag. I'm excited. I got a lot of good products in here and I can't wait to share them with you guys. Jumping in, we're going to reach what the first item is in my bag. And this is the item I chose for this month. It's my, not mine, well it is mine, but it's the Morphe Fluidity Concealer. So I did open this last night. I didn't try this out obviously since it's still in the box, but I wrote down my first impressions of it, and I have to say my, when I opened it up, I was like, I don't know if it's the right color. But now I'm starting to question if maybe I'm just using the wrong color, which is very possible. But I'm excited because it is a full-sized item that they sent me. So that's pretty cool. It's only $9 original. Oh my god, why do I always do that? It's only $9 originally, so that's really not a bad price. That's why I picked this, because I'm like, if I end up liking this product, it's something I know I can go back and buy whenever I need it. Why is my voice being so weird today? Or is it always this weird? I just don't know it. So I am super excited. I haven't put on any makeup yet, just so I can try that out for you guys. You're welcome. Next, I have the Perlice, I think that's how you say it. It's a Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk. I did try this out last night because I had to take a shower, so I was like, gotta wash your face, Dumbo, so I did. And my first impression of it was I was kind of disappointed. It seems really small for a sample. It was saying in the instructions you only need a dime-sized amount. I felt I probably used twice as much as that, but I did really like it. One of my favorite things about this is it smelled very lemony. It left my skin feeling nice and soft afterwards after I dried my face off. This is normally $36 for a full size. It's 150 milliliters. I don't know. Don't come at me, please. But the normal size, with it being $36, I probably wouldn't pay that for it. Like, I don't know. I'm not gonna have a real opinion of it until after I finish trying it and after I use up all of the sample. And that's like one of my New Year's resolutions, because I've been going through like all of my makeup and stuff, and I have so many skincare samples from IPSY that I haven't used yet that's what I'm using first. Like, I'm gonna use those until I run out. That makes sense. The next thing in my bag, ooh, this is a Jewel Smith Beauty lip gloss. My first impression of it, because I did try it out when I got it yesterday. I was like, this is pretty. It looks great by itself, and it smells like candy. It smells so good. Like, it straight up smells like I think it's like Sweethearts or like Nerds. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. A full size of this would be $18, and I would pay $18 for this. And it's an iridescent lavender gloss. I haven't used it as a topper, but I've tried it by itself and I'm already obsessed. My next item is this Theory Body Charcoal Bamboo Detoxifying Body Scrub. My first impression of this was, I've never heard of the brand. I'm sorry if it's a common brand, I've never heard of it. But I really enjoyed using it. I tried that last night in the shower too. It was a great combination of gel and exfoliating beads. It was soft, but I could tell it was doing a really good job of like exfoliating my skin duh. But yeah, left my skin feeling super soft afterwards. Like, I'm so excited to take a shower again just so I could use it. And I am definitely look into buying this. Like, I've only used it once. I would definitely look into buying this. I don't even know how much it would be. A full size, it'd be $27. See, that's, if it works as well as I think it's gonna work, that is 1000% worth it. Now we're gonna go into the last thing in my bag. It is this, what is it called? The Misho Beauty nail polish. It's in the color hashtag NYFW, so hashtag New York Fashion Week. And it's a little bit darker than I thought it was gonna be. That's my first impression, but I'm excited to try it out. I'm not gonna try this out for you today because I cannot open it, and I'm not gonna take the time to paint my nails, then let them dry, then come back and film. I want to do other things today, so sorry. Not sorry. Okay, hold on. Alright, I'd also like to take a second to talk about the bag. I think it's a super cute design. I literally almost bought myself a makeup bag that was a full-size one with the same design from like TJ Maxx, but I was like, girl, you don't need another makeup bag, you just need less makeup. And I'm really excited I got this for this month. I don't typically like makeup bags with the zipper like this. I like it to be on the top, but I don't know. I think I might actually use this one when I travel. I guess now we're gonna move into the try-on portion. So I'm gonna go get my stuff together for the try-on portion, and then we will be trying it on. All right. So today, first I'm gonna be priming my face with the Maybelline Master Prime. It's just like my go-to primer, honestly, so. All right. Now that I got my face all primed and ready, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Fluidity Concealer. I'll just not tell you what shade it is. Oh, should have gotten the primer off of my hands first. There we go. Sorry, my neighbor is driving their car down the snow, but then I realized this is Subaru, so I'm like, yeah, you got it. He's barely got it, but he's got it. Oh, this is a good color. How does mine work? Because I have the Too Faced one. It's a little bit more yellow. Oh, this smells makeup-y. Okay, we're just gonna start with that. This feels really cool on my face, like it's nice and cool. Not, you know, cold. I couldn't find my concealer brush, sorry guys. I literally forgot what I was doing and so I was doing it. Okay, so my thoughts on the concealer. I like it. I think it is definitely a better match for my skin than what I've been using. So I'm definitely gonna have to keep track of what this one is because I like it. I think it's definitely a better winter color. I'm probably gonna stick to using my Too Faced in the summer. It's probably a better match for that. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of my makeup on my face, and then I'll come back when it's time to do the lips. I'm really regretting not putting on bronzer, but whatever. I was supposed to do a white eyeliner look for today. Stupid. Okay, oh well. I like the black too. Okay, So all that's left to do is the lips. I'm gonna go in with my Jules Smith Beauty gloss that I just got. Like, this straight up smells like candy. I'm obsessed. And I love the packaging to it. It's so cute. Pez. It smells like Pez candies. It's like, I know what candy it smells like because I just ate it. And it was Pez. I love Pez. Okay. Yeah, I mean, how could you not like this packaging? It's so cute. So you can't really tell on camera, but it does have a nice lavender tint to it. In person, it feels super soft on your lips. It's not too sticky, it's not too loose. Like, I could definitely see this being a great everyday wear in like spring and summer for sure. And honestly, I don't even know why you couldn't wear it in fall and winter, because it's not too pigmented. It's just like a nice, the light reflects off and it's purple. It's almost like a light pink. I like it. So my overall thoughts for this month's bag, I love the products in it. I think the concealer, I might go a shade darker. I feel like in person it makes me look like a ghost, but I also didn't put on bronzer today, so that could totally be the problem. I definitely want to keep an eye out for this stuff at like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, because even though I wouldn't pay full price for things like maybe the cleanser, I do like it and I do have to say it works, and I would buy it, just not for the price that they're selling it at. For $36, I mean, I don't know how much you get. Maybe if I sell the full size package, that would change my mind, but as of right now, that's something I'm keeping an eye out for at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Yeah, I'm super excited to finish using all this products. Thank you guys for watching these videos. I can't wait to let you know how they end up working out. I always say that and I never do, so. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be, oh my god, why did my face do that? So, you guys can't really see on camera, but in person, it does have a nice little lavender tint. Yeah, so you guys can't really see, oh